Hello, today I have Audi A6 2020. It came with problem what the engine cooling fan always on, spinning with the noises. So let's start the car. There is no fault on the dashboard, no symptoms, only cooling fan spinning all the time. No matter is the AC on or not, it's always spinning. It's only one spinning. There is two cooling fans, one always working. So I plug diagnostic tester. Diagnostic showing always this fault code. Cooling fan control circuit 1. It's not deleting, so we start with checking cooling fan control circuit. To check cooling fans, there is connectors down here, so we need to go under a car. Or if you have a lift, you can lift your car and check under the car. So under a car you need to take this cover off to access the cooling fan connectors. There's two cooling fans and there's two connectors, and here we can test and do some measurements. So I concentrate to this plug because this cooling fan spinning, this not spinning. So firstly test this connection. So we have connection with 4 wires, 2 bigger ones, red, brown, and 2 small wires. So if cooling fan spins, there's definitely plus and minus should be, because it's spinning. Also we can test with simply test light. This should be always plus, this minus. We can test like this to minus, like this glowing, and there should be 1 wire ignition plus. So when you turn the car to ignition, there is one of this wire is ignition positive wire. So as I look at the wiring diagrams, there should be this blue red. So we can test with our control lights. With everything okay. So we have 1 wire left. This wire, control wire from engine ECU for cooling fan activation. This wire we can check with oscilloscope. So I am using my picoscope, this one, and they should be control communication signal. So I show you what it looks like. So firstly we need to connect this wire to this wire, and now we can check for the signal. Also, you should turn ignition on or to start a car. So what we have here is nothing right here. So we need to start a car and need to look if we have something here. So we have no signal here. So now we can do simple trick. There is two cooling fans, so we can measure this signal to look how it looks from our connector for cooling fan number 2. So let's take a look at this. Connect, and now oscilloscope connected to the cooling fan 2. And when you switch ignition on, you see 1 second this communication signal. Now I'm switching ignition on and off, so there is definitely signal to the cooling fan 2, but there is no line to the cooling fan 1. So in this situation we have broken this wire somewhere or bad engine ECU. So need to start test this wire to the engine ECU, and we will find the answer. So as you notice, someone made this connection join. Maybe this connector was replaced. So after searching for broken wire, I found this, our yellow wire, and broken wire. So maybe this is all our problem. Let's connect this wire and test again. Maybe it will be easy job. So I repair the wire, and now we can test with our oscilloscope if we have the same signal as it was at the cooling fan too. So switch ignition on. As you can see, when you switch ignition on, the engine ECU trying to communicate with cooling fan module. It sends the signal. So now we have the same signal at the cooling fan too. So now we need to connect connectors and test if everything works. So the coolant fan number 1 wire was repaired. So now I'm trying to delete the fault codes. There's 2 fault codes because cooling fan circuit 2 was unplugged too. So we can try to clear. So turn ignition off and on again. And we will see. So no fault codes. It's a good side. So let's test if everything works. Cooling fan should spin. So let's test. So the fault code is cleared. So we can test with AC, because when you turn AC on, the cooling fan should start spinning about half of its full speed. So now AC is not turned on, so I'll show you. Cooling fan not spinning, not spinning. So let's try. So I turn AC on. Cooling fan 1 starts spinning. And also cooling fan 2 starts spinning. That's normal operation. We can try turn off. So AC is off. And it slowly stops. And also stops. So everything works, no fault codes. Another car fixed. So thanks for watching. See you in another video.